Hello, this is Dr. Ebru Ünal. I am cosmetic gynecologist working in my cosmetic gynecology clinic here in Vadi, Istanbul. If you are planning to have labioplasty surgery, this video is for you. Labioplasty is a very important surgery. It is not like only cut and put stitches kind of surgery. You will not get the best result only by cutting or only by stitching the areas where you trim the edges of the inner lips. So this is not the expected, this will not give the expected best result. Labioplasty needs a very good technique. So the technique, the devices, the material which you use for stitching should be very high quality. Otherwise you will have problems. You will have a botched labioplasty. So if you are planning to have a labioplasty surgery, you need to pay attention a couple of things. First of all, you need to check the place where you are traveling or where you are planning to have the surgery. The quality of the devices are very important. The experience of the surgeon is very important. And you need to ask or see the before and after photos of the surgeon so that you can evaluate how it is done, how the result which kind of result you should expect. After you have the labioplasty before and after photos and you see and you think that this is a good result, you need to learn about the experience of the doctor, how many years she or he is doing the labioplasty surgery, and they are using the good equipment. Because, for example, I am using Elman radiofrequency device. This area is very irregular. It is not like the nose, it doesn't have any bony support. Because of it, cutting it with scalpel is very difficult, and we need a good material to cut which will not give harm but give the best aesthetic result. Radiofrequency, especially Elman radiofrequency, is one of the devices which is created for the precise cut and very good healing of the tissue. If you cut or coagulate the tissue with the ordinary devices which we use in the surgery rooms, cut and coagulation devices, electrocoagulators we call it, they will burn the tissue and they may affect the nerves which will help you to get the sensation, and they may also burn more skin than we expected. Because of that, the scar will be more. So we need a very high quality, precise device to cut the labias. Scalpel is not one of them, scissor is not one of them because they may make irregularities. Electrocautery is not one of them. Laser or radiofrequency devices are very good for this. You can understand like that. You touch a point and the heat from the radiofrequency or the laser which is passing to the tissue to that point is just stayed in that point. But with the electrocautery, you touch the point, but it makes a bigger defect around the point. So because of that, the device quality is very important in labioplasty, because this area is created for joy. If you give any damage to the nerves with the device quality, with the heat of the electrocautery, then the sexuality will be affected for lifelong and the joy will be lost. So because of that, please pay attention which kind of devices are used during the labioplasty surgery. And also, post-op care is very important. So if anyone tells you that you can have a labioplasty and the next day you can go to Vogue, entertain Istanbul or entertain where you are, go to seaside, then please don't have the surgery there, because this is not true. This is an important surgery. It will affect your sexuality, it will affect your life, your confidence, your self-esteem. So you need to rest after the procedure so that the area will heal properly and you will get the best result by that. So after my surgeries, I ask patients to be in Istanbul for 3 days, in bed, in the hotel room, not to travel anywhere in Istanbul, not to entertain in Istanbul. And after that, if they want to, they can go to their countries, their hometowns, but still after their arrival to their homes, they need to rest a couple of more days. So in total, 5 days you will rest. If you stay in Istanbul 5 days, that will give the best result. So labioplasty, most of my patients say that is it very painful? I see in the internet that labioplasty surgery is very painful. After that they got crazy, they got so bad pain, that they couldn't cope with medication. Actually, it is a painful procedure if you don't take medication or if the provider don't give proper medication. My patients generally comment like, I don't have any pain, or sometimes they may say, I have only 1 or 2 out of 10 kind of pain. Because we manage their pain. We know that it is a painful procedure afterwards, and we need to use very strong medications to control the pain. Don't think that this is a painful process and I have to face with the pain. No, it is a painful process, yes, but we control the pain. So don't worry about it. After the surgery, 5 days we recommend not to have shower. 6 weeks you will not have sex or use vaginal tampon. 3 weeks after the labioplasty surgery, you may start your jogging or exercises, but still swimming, for example, will be 4 weeks later after the surgery. So if you have a good surgeon, if you have appropriate devices, your result will be the best, and I'm sure you will love it. I am experienced in labioplasty more than 15 years, and I really use high quality devices which you will cannot able to find it in UK or US. Any clinic who says that they are having labioplasty. So if you are planning to have labioplasty, our price is also more affordable compared to US and UK because this is Istanbul. And we have good packages, we have good travel packages, medical packages, which you can enjoy Istanbul. You will stay in a very high quality hotel. You will have high quality service in Istanbul, transfer from airport to your hotel, from hotel to the clinic. So you will be very safe. Don't worry about it. We will take care of you very good in Istanbul. If you have any question, if you are planning to come to Istanbul, please let us know so that our clinical representatives will guide you. All the best.